Hello traders, thank you for supporting IQ School Signal. Today I will tell you how to use our signals on your cell phone. So you have to open your browser, open iqoption.com, then click on these three bars and select the option split screen. After that, click on Telegram. Okay. Now select IQ School Signals, adjust it accordingly. After that, you can rotate your screen like that. Now you have to follow the instructions from IQ School Signals. So, like open EuroGPB, click on plus, then binary, then EuroGPB, select it. After that, set the amount, click set the amount like 6.07. Now you have to wait for the go sticker. So when you saw the go sticker, you have to put. So it's very easy to use IQ School Signal on the cell phone. Thank you so much for supporting us. If you have any query, you can contact us. Wish you many merry ETMs. Bye bye.